Hi guys, and welcome to Autocraft Motor Caravans. In this video, we're going to explain how you can winterproof your van free of charge courtesy of Autocraft Motor Caravans. So this offer is going to go from now until the 31st of January 23. It's going to be offered on all brand new vans purchased from Autocraft. First of all, we're going to be offering 3 essential items. First one is the wraparound pop-top thermal cover. This is a very easy to fit item. It's only fitted in a matter of minutes. It's waterproof on the inside and the outside with a thermal Dacron inner. On the cab screen, you're going to get supplied for 3 windows all the way around the cab. That's again thermal, going to keep inside the van nice and warm. So those 2 items are going to be offered and both very easy to fit. The third one is one that will be installed on site and your driveway with is completely done. So we're going to offer a Webasto diesel heater, in our opinion the best heater to fit inside any vehicle. We fit this diesel heater underneath the vehicle to keep it nice and quiet when it's running, and we supply it with a multi-controller. So the multi-controller, you can set this on a timer to come on in the middle of the night for a couple of hours. You can have it come on while the van's on the drive in the morning, so it's already de-iced. It's a fantastic piece of equipment, and that's the nice little screen just there. So if you want to get your hands on this deal, then please get in touch with us. Come over to the showroom, have a look around, and any of these vans could be yours with this giveaway included. So this is £1,200 for 3 items that we're offering until the 31st of January. Please don't hesitate to give us a call down and see us, have a look around. If we haven't got the right van for you on site, I'm sure that we'll have something for you coming through our production line. Thanks for watching the video, and fingers crossed we see you in store soon.